Patrick. Chris with CKR, and wanted to show off our two span 32 system. So this is a 400 amp service. So a customer came through to us. He was really interested in getting Tesla Powerwalls, wanted some solar. Was basically told by the installer that his service was too big and he wouldn't be able to do it without the correct upgrade and getting disconnects and everything installed. So came to us, obviously. So span is our forte, right? Having that integrated load management. And so we've installed two of these, one for each 200 amp service, right? So, and each one of these is independently powered by the Tesla gateway, which is their the brains of their operation, right? So we have one span fed by one gateway, another span fed by another gateway, and all of the circuits, that basically it's two independent systems where all of those circuits are able to be managed by the homeowner. So in the event of an outage, you know, some of the loads are going to be shed, some are not. If you have a look around here, like this is actually where the meter is. We installed all of this new equipment. So this is a entire setup installed by us. And you can see, you know, we've got two service disconnects. So this is a 400 amp meter combo with two 200 amp main breakers in there. Obviously we've added some surge protection from SSI, and it also feeds a small sub panel upstairs. So install all this, you know, facilitated that with the AHJ building department, you know, to get the power switch back on in short order. And then, like I said, each one of those is powering a gateway. The main breaker is powering the gateway, and the gateways are powering the span. And then you can see here, we've basically installed, you know, so there's two power walls going to the gateway with heavier loads. So talking air conditioners there. So two power walls going to a span with all the heavier loads. And then we've got a span, a power wall and expansion. So this is a stepped expansion unit. So DC expansion and power wall going to the other span, which is the lighter loads. You know, it's not as many heavy loads, so it doesn't actually need that second inverter in an outage situation. So 27 kW of power going to one span that's got the air conditioners, and even though it has the span managing it, we wanted to give it that extra power, so during the day they're able to get that more energy out of it. And then the other power wall is got the DC expansion. It's only 13.5 kW, but we actually did put it on an 80 amp breaker. So we've oversized that wire, oversized that breaker, so they are actually able to get more out of it during the day when it's attached with the solar. So really nice setup. Really happy with how this one was designed, and the customer is so happy he actually wants to add a couple more expansion units to go along with the power wall on the heavier loads. So even more backup. You'll see from some of the photos, you know, really nice REC Alpha 450s. The Pure RX, so a really powerful panel, all tied in really nicely with this Tesla Powerwall and our two span system for a 400 amp service. Total customized solution for this homeowner. Really nice house, total grid resiliency, and just a beautiful all-around setup.